go activate me, you can't see it.
No, we're not shaking the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, like, she makes 4. I caught myself. That's done.
You count the boy as a cook. You want to do it now.
You need 2 of them.
You have 4 of them now?
Mommy, how many cutting?
No, Titi not there, so.
Eh? Mommy? How many cutting?
Imagine Sunday come then and you
Okay, watch what you do.
They're sharp, you know?
Mommy, I'm not sure because the case something else.
You don't give no trouble when you do it.
As long as me get free, my
That
time
one.
to
No, go back.
Alright.
Go back.
As long as we feeding one more.
Really, baby Johnny. What was that?
You gonna make my food wait?
Mama.
My hand is free.
Is that dirty?
Of course it's dirty.
That's the one. I don't know what's dirty now. It was on his
You
door.
need the next daughter now. You go
So, not because it was on the phone.
You need the next daughter.
You hear you?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
I've been cut.
You see, Shakira don't company. Because she got a big already.
No more for me.
You wanted the first
You
one.
wanna come like a mommy to the middle?
Because you're the
Oi.
the first piece.
No more for
Don't
me.
touch it. Don't touch
Don't
it.
touch your son.
Anybody could get the first piece. Well, actually, you can find the first thing. But
The first place is free.
yeah, but I already won. That mommy just cut first.
You just stick on
Want some water?
Come, take some
Over there.
water.
Where else?
Take some water.
Wait, mommy, the first one goes to me.
Upside down
Mommy,
more.
I wanted that one.
Come,
Here.
That one over there.
water is it.
Let me tell you something. I wear the shoes.
She's on what down there?
Don't tell you to get Dahlia for your birthday. You know that? Once a year. What are they need to mark them up?
Weekend day.
Dahlia, she get Dahlia every year.
I mean, make something.
Drink some more water. You gotta eat the sweet cake.
Ako yata. Oh, you think I baby up there? You look like I'm mad. Kaya I baby cake. Tell me sleep tonight. I'm not going to think that yeah, I said him to them out of the room and get the baby.
Terry, come for you, man. Last time we lost at the close to 10.
Are you putting something?
This is a cake you're firm. You're the one from full of from this is the day they call Meet a John. Okay, mix them.
You mommy, you want these? See there.
Enjoying the cake?
Thank you.
Everything. You know why then. I not have so much of an ice in it. Just you want piece of it? No?
Yeah, thanks.
You can say 2 pieces no one. You know some cut.